Students will be able to come to this home page where they will learn about their assignments, any notices that I have, quizzes, and polls. A student will go first to the Edmodo planner, and here you can see classes have been organized for 3 weeks. In each of the days they can, for instance today, they could go to answer a quiz, to the notice that they need to answer the quiz at the bottom of their Squares and Roots website. So in order to access that, they would click on the resource, scroll, read through and do the work, understand their work, and then down at the bottom there would be questions. If we go back now, back to Edmodo and access the folders, we'll see that there are also Introduction to Pythagorean Theorem. You know, they're organized in a way that they'll be able to, if they've missed something, to go back and find it. For instance, here are the 2 resources for Introduction to Pythagorean Theorem. This is a social learning platform that helps me to stay in touch with the students as well. They are encouraged to reply if they have any questions concerning the assignment. As students are learning, they will also be awarded student badges. Edmodo has Good Citizen, Good Question, Hard Worker, etc. I've created some Paperless Pal for those students who tend to use less paper and do their figuring and their work on their iPad or mobile device. This was after they completed the squares and square root, they become a squares and square root rocker. When they finish the review about right triangles, they get the right triangle rigger. In order to do a formative assessment, we have a quiz several days in a row, and then an exit poll concerning which proof of Pythagorean theorem they enjoyed the most, as some kids will enjoy different and be able to understand it differently. So I've given them a variety of ways to understand it. Their task on the Friday then, after being introduced to the math song, is to have their filming day. 5 groups will be divided up, and they will take a verse in each of the songs, and will be filmed lip-syncing to the song, doing motions to the song. They can choose to show a poster that they've done of the song. And while the groups are filming, if you're not filming, then they would be able to do this task. Math is fun activity. Well, it's a practical math. A practical math activity. I've highlighted the website, given them the tip that you highlight, right click and go down to go to, and it will take us right to that activity. As you can see, it's a practical one where you use your shoes, your ruler, and a paper and pen. And yeah, so something that they can use while they are not filming. For me, Edmodo is a practical learning application management system to help organize our classroom.